The manufacturing industry is a cornerstone of Europe's economy, contributing more than 12.2 trillion euros in turnover and employing over 90 million people in 2024. Yet it is also the highest contributor to greenhouse gas emissions in Europe, producing over 60% of enterprise-related CO2 and other greenhouse gas emissions in the EU. To unlock the potential of manufacturing SMEs, Mantra, a Horizon Europe project, is developing a training and capacity building program to provide manufacturing SMEs with the financial and technical support needed to become more sustainable, competitive, and resilient. Mantra will support a total of 50 manufacturing SMEs selected through 2 open calls with €50,000 grants each, helping them unlock their digital and technological potential within sustainable business models, focusing on sectors of machinery, food, textile, plastics, ceramics, and metals. The selected SMEs will begin a replicable self-assessment plan to help them evaluate their readiness for green and digital transformation. During their transformation journey, co-creation initiatives will be fostered through collaboration between tech-savvy SMEs and traditional businesses, strengthening cooperation and knowledge exchange through the Mantra community platform. This will be followed by tailored services offering SMEs guidance on adopting advanced technologies and implementing social innovation provided by sector experts. Mantra will offer funding of up to €50,000 to support manufacturing SMEs in implementing their digital and green transformation. To foster collaboration, Mantra has launched its community platform for manufacturing and tech-savvy SMEs to connect, share knowledge, and exchange best practices. Ready to transform your SME? Join the Mantra community to access tailored services, resources, and funding opportunities, and take the lead in innovating the manufacturing sector.